This is your CBS 46 News Update.
Good morning, I'm Gravier Denza. School districts here in Georgia and really all across the country are facing a growing problem, a severe shortage of school bus drivers. Last week, dozens of DeKalb County bus drivers called out, uniting for a sick out day. They're demanding more safety protocols. The other barrier to becoming a bus driver, you've got to have a commercial driver's license, which requires months of training. And with few applicants, the shortage could continue all year. MARTA is going to require weekly COVID testing for unvaccinated employees. This is going to start October 4th. Vaccinated employees are supposed to upload their vaccination cards to Human Resources to avoid that testing. Almost 860 MARTA employees have been sickened by coronavirus. We have an update now on a new initiative to improve safety at Piedmont Park. We told you that the Park Conservancy started a Safe Haven Fund this week, raising money for safety upgrades, and we've learned the group has already raised about $45,000. That's going to be matched up to $100,000 by an anonymous donor. The Conservancy says it's now working with public safety experts to figure out what changes need to be made and which ones would be the best. And there's new information about the canceled performance of Hamilton at the Fox Theater. In a statement, the theater says some cast and crew members tested positive for COVID-19, so they had to make sure everybody else was negative. Those test results didn't come back in time for that performance, resulting in that cancellation. The theater says all tickets for that performance are going to be honored for the rescheduled date, which is Monday, September 20th. If you cannot make it on that night, you're going to be eligible for a full refund or a ticket exchange. Soccer's international governing body, FIFA, is going to visit Mercedes-Benz Stadium today. The U.S., Canada, and Mexico already won a joint bid to host the World Cup in 2026. They now have to decide which cities are going to host the matches. FIFA officials stopped in Nashville yesterday to visit Nissan Stadium. That's home of the Tennessee Titans. They're going to visit 7 other cities this month, including Baltimore, Boston, Philadelphia, Orlando, and Miami. And it's a really big day here at CBS 46. Today is our annual Books to Kids donation drive. We've helped give children in schools across Metro Atlanta more than 50,000 books over the last 4 years. And if you can drop off new or lightly used books at 4 McDonald's locations from 10 this morning until 6:30 this evening. And you can find those locations on our website at cbs46.com and also on our streaming app. It's going to be a good day to get out there and do that, hopefully this morning. Let's check in with Rodney and find out what the weather holds for us.
Yeah, your rain chances this morning are at 20%, so can't rule out a sprinkle or a shower this morning. But then the rain chances go up to 40% later on this afternoon. Even still, 40% isn't high, but make sure to have the umbrella handy as you head home from work today. The rain chances will go down after sunset, but they are back into your forecast for the upcoming weekend. There's a chance of rain Saturday and Sunday afternoon and evenings with highs in the low 80s. Our rain chances will stay in the forecast through the middle of next week. Next Wednesday is the first day of fall, and in perfect timing, by Thursday, it's mostly sunny with a high of 79.
This has been your personal news update from CBS 46 News.